Alright, so what's good YouTube? Welcome back to show you how. And guys, today what I'll be doing is attempting to call PlayStation and telling them I'm gonna tell them that I bought PlayStation Plus recently from the PlayStation Store, but when I went back to my home menu, for some reason the PlayStation Plus was not there. So I'm gonna attempt to do that and see what they say. So let me go ahead and call them. And guys, if you want to call them, the number is 800-345-7669 if you want to attempt it to after me.
Thank you so much for calling PlayStation. My name is Carla. Can I please have your online ID to get you started on?
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Thank you so much for that, sir. And can I have the email address that is attached to your account?
The email address is just spelled like other one at gmail.com.
So tell me, what can I do for you today?
Okay, so I was attempting to buy for the 12-month membership, and when I bought the membership, I went back to my home menu and it wasn't there for some reason, as if it glitched or something.
I see. I'm sorry to hear about the issues with that transaction, sir, but don't worry, I'll be more than glad to help you. So we can take a look into what happened. So you were trying to make a purchase for PlayStation Plus, the 12-month membership, right?
Yes.
I see. And were you doing it on the PlayStation Store? Did you receive a specific message, or do you remember what happened?
I tried to go back and then it had like an error on my PlayStation or something. I don't know what happened.
I see. I was taking a look into the system, and yes, I just see that we haven't processed a transfer.
Not again, but when I made the transaction, I went back to my actual account that I made it from, and it had already took my money away. So I didn't try again so I can get my money back first before I try again.
So you said that you already processed the payment. But I was checking your account with the one that you provide me, and it's not showing me any purchase. Did you use a second account, or did you use another profile?
No, I use the same exact account.
But when you said that you got the
Yes,
charge, where did you see it? Bank statement.
Yes, it
Did you
had.
receive a confirmation from PlayStation
I think they sent.
on your email?
They might have sent me an email. So what should I do since they took my money? I didn't get the membership. What should I do now?
Well, like I was mentioning, so you, at least on this account, you haven't been charged. Now, can you take a look into your billing statement and let me know if you see the transaction on pending, on hold, processing, or completed?
Okay, hold on 1 minute. Oh yes, it said it's been processed on my bank statement already. It's completed in process on my bank statement, but for some reason it's not on my PlayStation. Cause it
Like I was mentioning.
Cause it gave me an error after I purchased it, but it gave me an error.
Yes, because there hasn't been any process or any payment that we have collected. So my best recommendation will be the following. If you have used only this account to try to get the PlayStation Plus, I can guarantee you that on our side we haven't collected any type of payment. But it could be that for that attempt that you made, your financial institution that you were having to process the payment, and we check on our
5 hours later.
system already verify the information, so they put the transaction on hold. But
7 hours later.
you haven't made a transaction yet, so it looks like your bank verified the information, was trying to process.
1 eternity later.
So try to release it with your bank so you can put the request and the money can be available to you again.
So guys, it turns out that it didn't work. So don't try this at all, because it's not gonna work. No matter what you said, they're gonna tell you to contact your bank, whatever card you use or whatever. So yeah, don't attempt this. This is not gonna work, trust me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. And guys, I actually have a tutorial out right now of getting a free PS Plus 14-day trial for you can do this multiple times. So you can basically get it for an unlimited amount of time. So yeah, go ahead and check that out right now, and we'll be back to show you how.